Welcome to Madras Academy. In today's project, we're building a smart soil moisture alert system using Arduino. It controls a water pump and gives visual feedback using an LED, but with a twist. When the soil is dry, the pump turns on automatically to water the plants. The LED works in reverse. It's on when moisture is okay, and off when watering is needed. Here's what you'll need for this project. Arduino Uno or Mega, soil moisture sensor, relay module, 5-volt water pump, LED plus 220 ohm resistor, breadboard and jumper wires. Let's wire everything up. Moisture sensor VCC to 5V, GND to GND, moisture sensor analog out to Arduino at 0, LED negative to GND through a 220 ohm resistor, LED positive to Arduino pin 9, pump connected to relay output terminals, pump connected relay in to Arduino pin 8, GND to GND, relay VCC to 5V, let's code. After coding, I will explain the code. We start by defining the pins. The threshold value decides when the soil is dry. In the setup, we initialize the pins and begin serial communication to monitor values. We read moisture levels and print them on the serial monitor. When the soil is dry, pump turns on and LED turns off. When soil is moist, pump turns off and LED is on, indicating all is well. Check the moisture values in the serial monitor. You can adjust the threshold value to better suit your plant's watering needs. This project is a great way to automate plant care and learn about sensors and relays with Arduino. Try this at home and let us know how it goes in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to Madras Academy for more smart tech projects.